Oh shit!
Change a tire with us.
This bolt's not coming out. Like genuinely.
It needs to.
Okay. Hey guys. I've changed 2 tires now in the past 2 weeks. I helped Ken with his.
Didn't we literally say you were next?
Yes, jokingly.
All right, that's good enough, I think. That has to be.
We'll know in a minute. All we were trying to do was enjoy a day.
Literally.
Oh, they're getting dirty.
You're bleeding. There you go.
Check about Shaq. Women working in men's fields.
Right. I literally walked by. He just looked at us like, nigga, get over your house or fucking
The
don't
guy in
look
a
at
truck literally drove by. All right, there we go.
us. You think that's good enough?
I guess we're gonna
Get it
see.
off.
Fuck this, I'm not putting my fucking. This might.
Oh, yeah. We're good.
Oh! Oh shit!
What? Chris!
Alana, that wasn't on right then. Pause that, because I don't know what we're gonna do now.